Yo, little workshop update for you. Jess's bike is pretty much finished now. Just got to do the rear brake, put the carburetor on, a few little jobs, put some oil lines on it. But yeah, it's pretty much finished now. It's looking really nice. Really nice. And then it's off to Tom at East County Customs to have the really crazy seat made for it. And then if we go over to Mike's, as you probably saw the other day, Mike's oil tank is finished. I've just got to pressure test it. That's turned out really nice. It's got a fake little panel underneath here. I probably showed you in my last video, so we're going to hide some micro buttons along here, just to keep all the electrics super neat. Same this side, scallop this side, nice and close to the primary. Loads of room underneath there to get all your wire and stuff and the clutch cable to run through. Centre fill, I'm going to put a little lithium battery in here, so that'll be nice. Done his tank mounts as well. Mike designed them, that's what he wanted, so I've made them for him. Tigged them on, they're nice as well because I don't know if you can see it, but I've scalloped them so they follow the line of the tunnel. So I've got a nice sort of reverse curve on them. And he's got this cool little hood ornament that we're putting on the forwards. Mike's drilled all the forwards out himself. Got Razorback Moto, made these fucking awesome foot pegs for him. And yeah, it's just been a real busy couple of weeks. My mate Austin's just been over doing some videoing for me. Give him a follow if you can. And yeah, wiring's all done. I'm not the best at wiring in the world, I will admit, but I've kept it fairly neat. Just got to put these in place. I'm going to use some 3Ms double-sided tape to stick them down to the oil tank, and then just put some cable ties around these to tidy them up a bit. But yeah, been a bloody busy week, but it's turning out. I'm going to put some really nice choppers out this year. And then if we go over this way, I've got a Triumph that I'm making exhaust for. Max's iron head, that's all done now. Just got to get a new battery for it, but we rid that up the road today. That's turned out really, really nice. It runs fucking mint, absolutely mint, and it sounds amazing. Chromeworks baffles, they're expensive. Buy them, you won't regret it. And then yeah, here's Aris's bike, which I'm now going to start once I've just finished Mike's up. That's the next one on the chopping board. This one's having different pipes, Dragon Soul springers we're putting in it. Moving the sissy bar forward so it's not right at the end of the mud guard. We're going to upgrade the rear brake because it's going to run a spool, bunny bars. So yeah, another busy month in the workshop. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Laters!